In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Patreon profile picture and banner. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Patreon workspace to update your page's header so it reflects your brand the way you want. First, head to your creator dashboard. On the left side of your Patreon screen, you'll see a vertical menu. Click the dashboard link there. This takes you to the central hub where you manage how your page looks and how your content shows up to supporters. From the dashboard's Home tab, look for the Edit Page button. Go ahead and click Edit Page to open the page editor. This is where all your visual and text settings live, including your header, profile details, and how your page is presented publicly. Inside the editor, find and select the Details tab. Think of the Details tab as your control panel for the basics of your page's appearance. If you don't see it right away, check the top of the editor or the tab bar and click Details to bring up the right options. Now scroll down to the Header section. This is where you choose how your banner area appears. You have two choices. If you want a fully custom banner, select the option to add an image and upload your cover photo. A wide, high-resolution landscape image works best here. Keep important text or logos centered and away from the edges so they don't get cropped on different screens. If you prefer a simpler look, choose the option to use your profile photo as the header. Patreon will place your profile picture prominently and generate a background based on your brand color, giving you a clean, consistent style without needing a separate banner image. After you make your choice and upload an image if you're using one, you'll see cropping and positioning controls. Take a moment to align the image so key elements are visible on desktop and mobile. If you're using text in your banner, make sure it's large enough to read and has good contrast against the background. When everything looks right, click Save to store your changes in the editor. Saving keeps your progress, but it does not push the update live yet. To make your new header visible to everyone, go to the top right corner and click Publish. Wait a moment for the update to process, then preview your page to confirm the banner and profile elements appear exactly as you intended. That's it. With just a few clicks in the dashboard, the Edit Page tool, and the Details tab, your Patreon header is updated and ready for your audience.